Hi dear comrades, my name is PITBULL Sniper and today I'll show you my last game played in Norton camp from Madrid. This video will have 3 or 4 parts and let's begin. In the first part of the game, the primary mission of my team was to find, secure and extract free missiles from a combat zone, and my task in this mission was to find and eliminate the medics from the enemy team. So I'll show you how I was able to eliminate 2 of the medics from the enemy team.
Ha caído uno. Escucha, escucha, gente roja ahí. Ha caído el apoyo, ha caído el apoyo.
This is the moment where I shot twice one of the medics from the enemy team. And here's the same spot, the same medic, the second kill.
Allí, donde está el de blanco, que es un científico. Entonces,
And as you see,
in
in the same spot, the same place, a few minutes later came the second medic, and I was able to shut down and the second medic also. Unfortunately, a few minutes later, one of the enemy snipers saw me and eliminated me from the
Un aire chisto médico.
game.
Un aire médico, por favor.
Vale, túmbate. Salen para Luca. ¿Cuál es vuestra posición? Igual. Salen para Luca. ¿Me recibes, Luca?
¿Cuánto tiempo hay de sangrado?
Vale, necesito un médico Pitbull, AKI de Pitbull, AKI de Pitbull, AKI de... Vamos a cerrar el cerco.